So OnePlus just made the Android tablet market a whole lot more interesting. They launched their new OnePlus Pad Go at 20,000 rupees, and this is a more affordable version of their premium OnePlus Pad that starts at 37,000 rupees. And the Pad Go definitely packs a punch for its price. And I spent quite some time with this new device, and in this video, I want to share my experience with you guys. So if you're looking to buy the OnePlus Pad Go, or if you just want an Android tablet in this 20,000 rupees price, do watch this video till the end. But with that being said, my name is Yusuf, you guys are watching Tech Droids, and these are my 2 cents on the OnePlus Pad Go. Now, starting off with the unboxing and taking a look at the box, you have a picture of the tablet itself and the OnePlus Pad Go branding. The packaging is very similar to the OnePlus Pad. Lift that lid up and you are greeted with the tablet itself. Remove the protective peel, take off that sticker, and it reveals this really nice green color. OnePlus is calling it Twin Mint, and on first impressions, the tablet does feel really good in the hand. Moving on, you have a small compartment that has your documentation and your SIM ejector tool. Yes, this is the LTE variant of the tablet. And in terms of accessories, you get a 33-watt fast charger inside the box and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable in the signature OnePlus red color. Yes, I know 33 watts isn't that fast, but for a tablet that costs 20,000 rupees, I think this is pretty good. And most tablets in this price won't give you this kind of fast charging. Now, with the unboxing out of the way, let's talk about the tablet itself. Starting off with the pricing and the different variants, the OnePlus Pad Go is available in both Wi-Fi and LTE variant, and you can choose between either 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. And the pricing for these different variants is as follows. The base variant with Wi-Fi, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage will set you back 19,999 rupees. You can upgrade to the LTE version of the same, again 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, but with LTE compatibility for 21,999 rupees, or you can get the top of the line variant with LTE, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage for 23,999 rupees. And in my opinion, this is a really good price point for a budget Android tablet. So as always, I'm going to start off this review by talking about the design and build quality. And the OnePlus Pad Go actually looks and feels premium, which is surprising for its price. It's made out of metal and has this dual tone finish on the back, so it's matte on the bottom and glossy on top. You have a plastic strip which has got this mirror-like finish, and it does catch a lot of fingerprints and smudges, so do get a case if you're planning to buy this tablet. And overall, it's got really sturdy build quality, so when you're using this tablet, you feel confident as well as really comfortable. It's only 6.9 millimeters in terms of the thickness and 532 grams in terms of the weight. Now, I know it's not the lightest of the tablet, but it's got an 8000 mAh battery, which is really good, so it's going to last you really long. And doing a quick little overview, on the top right, you've got your power button. On the right side, you have your volume rockers. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C port and 2 speakers. And on the left side, you've got your hybrid SIM slot, which can accept SIM cards as well as micro SD cards. And on top, you've got 2 more speakers. So in total, you have 4 speakers on this tablet. And the sound from those quad speakers is really good. It's loud, it's got some bass to it, and it's really clear even at higher volumes. And the speakers do support Dolby Atmos. So if you're someone who loves music, likes to watch videos or play games on their tablet, you're gonna have a really immersive experience with these speakers. And here is a small speaker test for you guys. Now, something else that adds to that immersive entertainment experience is the display on this tablet. It's an 11.35-inch IPS panel with a Full HD Plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. It's also got a 1500:1 contrast ratio and 400 nits of peak brightness. It does not support any fancy HDR features, and the bezels surrounding the display are kind of thick. Also, the 400 nits peak brightness isn't going to be sufficient for outdoor usage. So if you are someone who likes to use your tablet outdoors, you might want to consider another option with a brighter display. But for indoor use, the display is actually really good. Playing games, scrolling through the UI and watching videos is a good experience, coupled with the quad speakers. The colors are accurate, and as I said, for indoor usage, the brightness is sufficient. And overall, I really like this display and I cannot complain for the price. Now talking about performance and hardware, it's actually very interesting here. So the OnePlus Pad Go comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which is an octa-core CPU at 2.2 GHz, and it's coupled with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU with 8 GB of RAM, 128 or 256 GB of storage, which is UFS 2.2, and 8000 mAh battery, which supports 33-watt wired charging, and the tablet charges via the USB Type-C port, which is actually a USB 2.0 port. And performance on the OnePlus Pad Go is actually very decent. So basic things like email, web browsing, watching videos, playing some light games, all of that is fine. But you do run into some lag, some jitters and hiccups here and there. Some animations can slow down while scrolling through the UI. And I'm happy to inform that the OnePlus Pad Go does not have any heating issues. The Helio G99 inside the OnePlus Pad Go, even while using the camera or playing heavy games, did not overheat or throttle, so it's got some decent temperatures. Now, something that the OnePlus Pad Go isn't meant for is heavy gaming or heavy multitasking. You can, open Windows in split screen, so have two apps open at the same time simultaneously. For example, YouTube or the Notes app, Google Chrome, Gallery. Basic apps work fine. And you can have one floating window as well, open on your home screen, so you can select with the supported apps. Not all apps are supported in split screen or floating windows, so do keep that in mind. Now, software updates can fix that. And talking about software, Android 13 on the OnePlus Pad Go is actually very good, and I've already had an update, from the time it got launched, and it also comes with Oxygen OS 13.2. So you're gonna have some extra bloatware, some extra features from OnePlus's side, which is fine. You get apps like Netflix or Amazon pre-installed, which you are gonna install anyway, and if you don't need them, you can uninstall them. So software experience is also very decent. And as I said, there are some lags and jitters here and there, but overall, performance was very solid for the price. One area where the OnePlus Pad Go excels at is battery life. It's got an 8000 mAh battery, which is going to last you 2 days without any issues, without any problems. Even if you're a power user, if you play games, use the camera a lot and watch a lot of videos on YouTube, you should still be able to get 1.5 days or even 2 days of battery life sometimes. And if you do run out of battery, there is a 33-watt fast charger included in the box, and that will take the tablet from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. Now, I know it's not the fastest charging, but again, for the price, them including a fast charger in the box is also a good thing. So again, battery life on the OnePlus Pad Go is amazing. Now talking about the cameras on the OnePlus Pad Go, you've got an 8 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. Now don't expect to shoot a Hollywood movie on these cameras anytime soon. These are tablet cameras and they'll get the job done for basic stuff like video calls, Zoom meetings, and scanning documents. If you're a student, you know what you're going to use these cameras for. But otherwise, here are some camera samples, and you do get good pictures in good lighting condition. There is some details, some good dynamic range, but otherwise don't expect flagship smartphone kind of photos from this tablet. And yeah, I don't have any complaints for the price. So far, the OnePlus Pad Go seems like a really good tablet. For 20,000 bucks, you're getting a really nice display, good performance, and great battery life. So how are they able to do it? And the answer is smart decision making. They're cutting corners in the right places to give you the best possible product. For example, the OnePlus Pad Go does not have haptics, so there's no vibration feedback when you're typing or using the software. There is no biometrics here, so there's no fingerprint scanner. You have to use the software-based face unlock or put a password on the tablet. There's no 3.5mm jack, there's no water resistance, and there's no 5G model either. And by doing all of this, OnePlus is able to save money and put it in the right places. Now, if you require any of these things, which the OnePlus Pad Go is missing, you can consider the OnePlus Pad, which retails for 37,000 rupees, or you can consider other options in the market that are available, like the Realme Pad 2 or the Mi Pad 6 from Xiaomi. So all of those are also there. And if you want to watch a full review of the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6, it'll be linked in the description down below. But overall, for a price of 20,000 rupees, the OnePlus Pad Go, in my opinion, is a really good tablet for students, for people who like to watch videos and listen to music. Basically, you're going to get a device that has really good battery life, a really nice big display, and decent performance. So if you have a kid in the house that wants to play some games, or if you're a student or someone who likes to consume a lot of content online, the OnePlus Pad Go, in my opinion, is a really good option. I'll leave links down below in the description so you guys can check it out, and do buy from my links to help the channel out. Also, a huge shout out to the OnePlus store in Forum Mall, Koramangala, Bangalore. If you're in Bangalore, want to buy the OnePlus products offline, I'll leave their contact details as well as their address in the description down below. They have the best deals on the latest products from OnePlus, so do check them out. But otherwise, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions, any queries. I'll be there replying to you guys. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.